Not bright like rose or jasmine bloom, nor rich with violet's perfume. Did you know that every time you drop a bay leaf into your soup, you are touching a goddess's story, one of love, escape, and eternal transformation? The humble bay leaf is more than a spice, it is a leaf born of myth, crowned in glory, and blessed with healing powers. In ancient Greece, the bay leaf was not just a kitchen herb, it was a sacred tree with divine roots. In ancient Greece, bay leaf, known as laurel, was sacred to Apollo, god of healing, light, and prophecy. Legend tells us that Apollo, god of healing and prophecy, fell in love with the nymph Daphne. But Daphne was a follower of Artemis and wished to remain free. When Apollo pursued her, Daphne cried out to her father, the river god. To save her, the gods transformed her body into a laurel tree, her arms became branches, her hair, leaves, her heart encased in bark. Heartbroken, Apollo embraced the tree and vowed, "If you cannot be my bride, you shall be my sacred tree. Forever, your leaves will crown poets, prophets, and victors." Upon the breeze the laurel sways, a gift of gods from ancient days. From Daphne's heart the branches grew, a crown of green, eternal, true. And so, the bay leaf became a symbol of protection, victory, and divine honor, the sacred leaf of Apollo and Daphne. Victors at the ancient Olympic Games crowned with laurel wreaths, Roman generals wearing laurel crowns, poets holding bay branches. Even today, the word laureate means crowned with laurel, a reminder of Daphne's eternal gift. But the bay leaf is not only a crown of glory, it is also a healer. Ancient herbalists used it for the body as well as the spirit. It heals the body, calms the mind, a leaf of wisdom, rare to find. In soups and teas its power stays, a sacred herb of light and praise. Health benefits of bay leaf. 1. Supports digestion. Bay leaves stimulate digestive enzymes, helping the body break down food more efficiently. They reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion, which is why ancient Greeks added them to heavy meals and stews. Tip: drinking bay leaf tea after meals helps soothe an upset stomach naturally. 2. Improves heart health. Bay leaves are rich in compounds like rutin and caffeic acid, which help strengthen capillary walls, lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve circulation. They also contain antioxidants that protect the heart from oxidative stress. 3. Balances blood sugar. Modern studies show that bay leaves can improve insulin function and regulate blood glucose levels, making them beneficial for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. 4. Reduces inflammation and pain. Essential oils in bay leaves, especially eugenol, have strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. They help reduce joint pain, arthritis symptoms, and general body inflammation, similar to how ancient healers used them in poultices for pain relief. 5. Boosts mental clarity and reduces anxiety. Inhaling the aroma of bay leaf smoke, traditionally done in rituals, was believed to clear the mind and calm the spirit. Scientifically, bay leaf's linalool compound has stress-reducing and mood-stabilizing effects. 6. Fights bacteria and viruses. Bay leaves contain antimicrobial and antifungal properties that can help fight respiratory infections, colds, and flu. Boiling bay leaves in water and inhaling the steam can help clear nasal passages and ease coughs. 7. Promotes hair growth. When used as a hair rinse, bay leaves strengthen hair roots, reduce dandruff, and enhance scalp circulation, supporting natural hair growth and shine. 8. Detoxifies the body. Bay leaf tea supports the liver and kidneys in flushing out toxins, reducing water retention, and purifying the blood. 9. Improves skin health. Its antibacterial oils help clear acne and prevent skin infections, while its antioxidants slow down visible aging by protecting collagen and elastin. 10. Supports better sleep. Bay leaf tea before bed helps relax the nervous system and encourages deep, restorative sleep, something the ancients associated with divine dreams and prophecies. Even the aroma of burning bay leaves has been used for centuries in rituals to cleanse negative energy and invite clarity. A hand writes a wish on a dried bay leaf, drops it into a candle flame. Then, a pot of hearty stew with a bay leaf floating on top. Spiritually, burning a bay leaf with your written intention is said to carry your wish to the divine. In the kitchen, one leaf transforms a simple soup into a sacred meal, infusing flavor and protective energy. In quiet groves where laurel sways, beneath the sun's soft golden rays, there grows a leaf, both bold and shy, a whisper in a stew or pie. Remember, when you stir a bay leaf into your food, you are not just seasoning your meal. You are partaking in the myth of Daphne, carrying Apollo's blessing, and inviting healing, victory, and wisdom into your life. Ancient healing recipes with bay leaf. Recipe: bay leaf digestive tea, Apollo's cup. In ancient times, priests of Apollo would chew laurel leaves before prophecy. Today, you can brew them as a soothing tea for digestion. How to prepare: 3 fresh or dried bay leaves, 1 cup hot water. Steep for 10 minutes, strain, and sip slowly. This tea calms indigestion, bloating, and even mild stress, like drinking Apollo's wisdom in a cup. Goddess Athena herself, crowned with laurel, smiling while holding a cup of bay leaf tea. Recipe: bay leaf healing steam, breath of Daphne, a bowl of steaming water, hands covering with a towel, breathing in the vapors. When colds and congestion trouble the lungs, bay leaf steam can bring relief. The ancient Greeks believed the laurel carried purifying breath from Daphne herself. How to prepare: boil 5 to 6 bay leaves in a pot of water. Place your face carefully over the steam, covering your head with a towel. Inhale deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. The aromatic oils clear the sinuses, ease coughs, and refresh the spirit. I personally have used this bay leaf steaming bath 2 years ago. When I had severely swollen tonsils, it was so swollen that I could not eat, drink, or talk for 3 days. As soon as I started using this steam bath, the healing process began immediately. And I was well in a week. I never went to see a doctor, I just cured myself with bay leaves. Recipe 3. Bay leaf protection charm, the wishing leaf. So burn a leaf, let wishes fly, their smoke will rise to meet the sky. Spiritually, bay leaf has always been a symbol of purification, protection, and manifestation. With every meal, remember this: the bay leaf carries health and bliss. Even today, many burn dried bay leaves with their written intentions, sending prayers into the universe with the rising smoke. Many use it for protection and manifestation. How to prepare: take a dried bay leaf. Write your intention or wish upon it. Burn it safely in a candle flame or fireplace. As the smoke rises, your prayer is carried to the heavens, just as Apollo vowed Daphne's leaves would always be sacred. Do you use bay leaf in your diet or as a remedy? Please write in the comment section below your favorite recipe. Until next time, please watch my next nutritional healing video. Let us sing, with spoon in hand, of bay leaves grown in distant land, a quiet gift in verdant dress, that stirs the soul with soft finesse. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.